What's up, blind family? Don't forget to like and subscribe. So, so in this video, we're playing. We're playing. Let me just see it. Today we're playing. Boy, why am I saying the same thing? Now we're playing Fun Power. And this is what we're gonna say first. If they slap us but we go higher, we say thank you. But if they slap at us and we fall but we got in another level, we say lucky. But if we just go back to the start, no thank you. Cause you know the drill. You know the drill. No, you know the drill. We have the golden pang. Cause I joined the group. Go. If I just saw something, why am I joining the group? But sometimes I don't join the group. Lucky. Mm-mm. No way. No way. No way. No way. Bruh. Goodbye. Did I just hit them? Oh no, I didn't hit them. This is. Bro, what's this level? Never saw this level. Because I always take the shortcut. If you don't see, I'm sweating. I'm sweating right now. I'm scared if somebody's gonna pan me. Just if somebody does, I'm panning them back. Okay, let's just. I'm clean. Grab your butt. Money. Bro, did somebody try to. Okay, focus. Oh, good. This is the scary part. Oh, no, thank you. Bro, did I just. Oh, man, this is scary. Let's get to die. This one. Oh. Say hello to my little friend. Bro, it's hard. Say hello to my little friend. Oh, bro. No way I just hit them. Bro, I don't. No, thank you. Shortcut. No. Let's get our golden pan. I can use this a golden pan. Cause if there's a golden pan in real life, I'll freak out, man. Cause who knows? Who knows if that's worth it or not? I think in the future we have golden pan. I think. Okay. I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. Cause I don't know what's gonna happen in the future. But I know what's gonna happen when hit 100,000 subscribers. I will. So go subscribe right now. Boom. Hey, focus on this. Boom. I forgot this up here. Yeah. Oh, load. So, see ya. Huh? Get karma. But, huh? I'm hitting you with the Whoa, did I just get hit? Oh yeah. Whoa, get out. Get out. Whoa, I'm the one. Oh, karma. That's my friend. That's my friend, and I know. Oh, I think I got the karma. Oh, you got the karma back. See you. I'm going to the next. Bruh. But did you see that? That did not get karma. Karma. They get karma for it. uh, then until with this buddy. Oh, yeah, I got scared. No, right from the top. I never get scared. Nah, that's on close call. That's on close call. Let me put out my secret weapon. Okay, this weapon. Oh, I think this is a weapon. Because if there's some zombie apocalypse, you can use this. Not gonna lie, you can use this. Just throw it or just slap it. Do slap. I'm not slapping it. I'm scared. You have to get close. Me, I'm just throwing it. That's unclose call for real. That's scary. That's scary. Okay, time for the trolls. Please live safe. And you're getting trolled, man. Man, there's some troller in the case. I don't know if I can buy that. I'll help you. Oh, sorry. Get out! Go get out there or I'll slap you. I have one golden. Let's keep slapping this. Come on. They're not rallying for sure. I'm just slapping everyone who's coming here right now. But why am I doing that? How about if they're a fan and they're oh. No way. No way. No way that girl made it. That girl's not gonna try. Oh, sorry, I don't mean to do that. I don't mean to do that. I'm kind of trolling. Okay, good. We're trolling that girl. Come here, come here. When I'm not a troller, who's gonna? Oh! Okay. Get out. Only he's gonna troll, right? If he's trolling, I'll go back there and slap him. Umunak sa taas, low ba taas? Like, get out. And just keep slapping. This is a very close call. Oh, just wait, guys. Okay, guys. Wait, guys. Okay, I'm back, guys. Let's go back to the game. Okay, wait for part 2, guys. Peace. Peace.